Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Air Dan Airways, Dan the Man, and thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. As you can see here, we have a special delivery. Jose has been wanting a car lift for a very long time, and he has finally had the chance to order one, and it is being delivered right now by FedEx. Let's see, Papa here, hanging out, surveying the scene, making sure none of the cars get any scratches or dents on them. And those are my feet. Check out my feet. And there's FedEx leaving. And let's check out the MaxJax car lift. Everything in the crate.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and unscrew everything. So when they move the cars, we'll just bring it down. This pipe. It's supposed to be like a cart that it comes with. And you put the motor on a cart. But I'm gonna put the motor on the wall because it's supposed to be portable. Thank you. Sacárselo. Perfect. Te lo dije. I told you that the wheelie box. That's it. Make sure que eso no foró. No. They come with the bolt. Eso, pero that's fine. That's not going to go anywhere. But 300 pounds. That's like not going to go nowhere. Look at this one sideways. Woo. Joe.
Why does it have to be so cold out here?
Huh?
It's so cold out. Can't do what? No kidding. So you gotta do anchors.
No, I have to have my cut and put cement.
Yeah, like a base or an anchor. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Where'd you chuck it? Over here?
Yeah, I drilled 2 holes here. I tried using anchor and so it's here.
What's this over here?
That's how much more I need. I literally need like an inch and a half more. There's a hole there. I drilled this one. So I just pulled it into the collar. This one's a little thicker than that side, but it's still not enough. I drilled that. That's a hole. Kind of sad I can't do it for it. But now that he's gonna cut it, I'll make him go like a foot down so it'll be much stronger.
The story of the left
Yeah.
of Jose.
Good pitch, good.
No, just put that right up against the tight bar there. That's yeah. Yeah, you can get it a little closer.
It's gonna go like right there. You still have more room to go that way. That's like right in the middle. See the hinges on the door?
The hinges.
It's still like right in the middle.
Hinges.
Did you watch it?
Did we find the Curse of Oak Island? Yeah, we
You
watched
watched
it.
it? I didn't watch it.
It was kind of like they visited a bunch of places again, kind of episode. Like, yeah, we're going on a field trip. But wasn't a great episode.
Because I have to have a hose coming over here. So I'm gonna have like the hoses come up over on the wood and then come down. And then when I don't use it, I can like hook it back up on the wood. Yeah, all the hoses are over here. All the fittings. There's a lock tight for all the fittings. All the safety locks. Anchors. But I bought another set because I knew I might waste, so I'm trying to do it to see if the cement will stick around. I might need your help. You'll try and help me. I don't know how.
I don't know how either. Totally did not help you put that on the wall, and you
No.
didn't almost fall on the ladder.
Did you get me falling?
I shut it off right before that happened.
So I just gotta stand here and lift it.
What do you want me to do?
No, that's the button to lift it.
Oh,
That goes up, and then this is to drop it down. But I had to put it up this high so the other hose will reach to the other side. Because I didn't know how long the hoses were gonna be. I could buy the hoses at like $50.
is that full already?
No, it takes transmission fluid. Lift it, like this is putting a room for a car right now. And under the car to the other side. And then I wouldn't work on the car with your car in here. So I'll have one over there. It looks fun. But I'll order the hoses, so I'll have another set of hoses. And I can extend those, and then I'll move that where it lower. So that it'll be like more convenient.
Yo lo miro y digo, ni yo tengo pelo en la cara así como ya no estoy. Y yo lo miro y digo, yo estoy viejo. Los otros días le dije, veo, estoy viejo. Me dice, mira, tú estás bien, dice. Estoy viejo, papá, mírate tú ya. Ahora ya que en Bolívar.
Don't step on it.
Did you break it?
No, it just loosened up.
Oh, recommend that.
That's why it's a hand holding on a footstep. If you haven't figured it out yet, he's putting in his own car lift. This is my brother, and this is the car lift. Oh, there's a big hole in the garage. I think he's doing pretty good so far here, doing it all himself. Got a hole, bucket of dirt,
Rocks.
and we're looking for the cursed Oak Island treasure. Ooh! Could it be? Yo, there's some Bobby Dazzlers over here. So we're going to be setting up the GoPro to do the time lapse of the installation of the car jack. And here's just a bad preview. I didn't really set the camera up that great, but the next video will be much better.
The rebar is going to go underneath the wall too, so it's not going to pull and fall in the middle, because it's going to have the rebar reaching out into the yard.
Rebar.
Wonder how much all that's going to cost. Probably like $500.
Well, if this is 5, it's probably be like 2 cents.
Right? You could buy like the sand, mix your washing it. I thought Antonio was going to back. I had to take a break.
No.
Is it Natalie?
Yeah.